In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a single arm dumbbell press, otherwise known as a single arm chest press. So firstly, I've got a flat bench here and I'm going to be using this dumbbell here to be doing my repetitions. I'm going to do all my repetitions on one side and I'm going to repeat exactly the same on the other side. So I'm going to show you on my left side in this demonstration so it's closer to the camera. And the first thing I'm going to do is start off by having my feet hip width apart. As you can imagine, with a normal chest press, it's working your chest primarily and then a little bit of your triceps and also the front of your shoulder. You get exactly the same in this, but you have got a little bit of more balance and proprioception to deal with. So it does work the core a little bit more just because you've got something off center and you haven't got that even amount on the other side. So there will be a bit more core and trunk activation. You're gonna lock the elbow into the side, coming all the way back. Head and back are now on the bench. With this side that's not doing anything, you can really put the arm anywhere you want. So I'm gonna put it on my chest here. I'm then gonna bring my elbow out on the side where I've got the dumbbell. Notice how my elbow firstly is in a position where it's not in line with my shoulder. This is because I'm doing a chest press and I'm not doing anything like a shoulder press. So when I'm in that chest press position and I'm in line with the chest, I've now got a slight diagonal position with this dumbbell. I've not got it completely straight. And that's because I'm now going to press up from the chest and back to my start position. I can actually feel with my right hand the chest working as I'm doing each repetition. I can feel it stretching at the bottom and contracting at the top. And once I've done my desired amount of repetitions, I would bring the weight to a neutral position, come down and back up. I would do exactly the same on the other side. So again, coming all the way back, the elbow stays into my body. Elbow comes out in a position that's below the shoulder. And from here, I'm going to press up and in, again above the position of my chest, and down and out. Up and in towards my chest, down and away from my chest. Once I've done the repetitions, neutral grip, elbow down, and back to my start position, then I can return the weight to the floor. So that is how to do a single arm chest press with a dumbbell, otherwise known as a dumbbell flat press.